안녕하세요. Welcome again, everyone. So for today, let us break down the sentence, I met a friend into bite-sized Korean. To make this sentence simple, we will only use the informal polite form. So, in Korean, the grammar pattern will be I plus the topic marker particle plus friend plus the object marker particle, and finally, the past simple tense form of the verb met. So, in Korean, the sentence is 나는 친구를 만났어요. 나는 친구를 만났어요. So let's start. Let us now break down our sentence. So the first one is our topic noun, I, or in Korean it is na. Na. And the next one, we have here our topic noun with the topic marker particle nun. So if we will put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 나는. 나는. And the next one, we have the object noun friend, or in Korean, it is pronounced as 친구, 친구. And next, we have the object noun friend plus the object marker particle 를. So, if we will put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 친구를, 친구를. And finally, we have here the past simple tense form of the verb met, which is in Korean pronounced as 만났어요. 만났어요. Alright, so let's put it all together once again. The sentence in Korean. So it is 나는 친구를 만났어요. 나는 친구를 만났어요. Okay, and now it's your turn. And once again, thank you very much for listening, and we hope to see you again next time. 화이팅!